Sixth session will be held for 6 days. That is on 2nd, 5th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th February. Tomorrow the assembly will start with the Honorable Governor's address. Bills assented by the Honorable Governor will be reported to the House. BAC report will be presented. Total number of starred questions is 316 and unstarred question is 1051. Discussion on Governor's address will be held for 2 days. Then in the financial business we will be having supplementary demands for grants, budget will be presented and vote on account will be taken. Government bills will come up including the appropriation bills. 5 private members' resolutions are admitted for discussion on Friday, that is the 9th February. Then as usual we'll be having obituary congratulatory references, calling attentions, 0 mentions will be taken up. Houseant फाल्यां आमी एक motion move करतात under rule 306 where the rule is that we have to move a motion first for postponement from 6 to 10.